Let's talk slots. I want to do an audio sound check for you. On my Lucky Bob's bulkheads with bushings that I purchased. And I've been trying to break them in. And I only went up to 10 just like for a few revs. But I've been running on 10 volts. My Amazon power supply, 10.1. And I wanted you guys and gals, boys and girls, to hear what it sounds like. That's a little thumb controller. Great response. I think these bulkhead bushings are broken in. No heat. I changed my oil. I got me some gun butter. And I think one of the reasons I'm getting such great throttle response. Let me get the camera. And where's it at? Over here. Come on, camera. Let me look. It's right here. It's not focusing. Come on. What a piece of crap. Probably got my settings wrong. But anyway, one thing I've noticed is my communicator is drier because I haven't been over oiling. And that's why we're getting such great throttle response. My spark plugs are clean, like in a car. Brand new spark plugs. There's some good throttle response. Like I said, look, no heat. I think the oil and all this stuff up in here on the communicator and all that dries heat up because it's a liquid. The liquid gets hot, blah, blah, blah. But I'll leave it down here and let you guys focus on your own. I cleaned my... I put my gum butter on my shimmies, my front and back, not on my gears, just on my spacers, my new bulkheads I've been trying to break in, and using my gun butter, now my communicator, because now I know how to get a little itty bitty on there. And look at that communicator. All I did was took a Q-tip, put it in there and cleaned all the carbonation off and all that. You know, I recommend you guys and gals do that for your races. Clean your communicator and make sure it's oil free. You would probably win a race. Listen to this. Look how quiet that is. Great throttle response. I can change my voltage range from my controller. I think that's what's happening. I mean, it's my voltage output is set at 10, you know, but if I have less, I guess that's 10 running real slow. But I think that would actually be less voltage when it's running slower. I'm not an electrician, but I know how to tune a car. I did it on purpose. Scared you, didn't I? Still cool. But that's only 10 volts. Slots out.